Hi there, let's make a special jackfruit dal today. Though made with readily available spices, this kathal ki dal turns out delicious. An easy recipe that you'll be able to surprise everyone with. It's something different. Have you subscribed to my channel and clicked the bell icon for the latest updates? 1 cup of chana dal. I'll put it in the pressure cooker. So I'll soak this for at least half an hour. So I like to cut the jackfruit into discs which are about half an inch thick and then cut them into segments. I like to remove the center, this part. So that's done, and then remove the outer skin. Make sure to keep them soaked in water, otherwise they get oxidized very easily and they turn black. So let's boil them. Boil the jackfruit pieces for 5 to 7 minutes so that they are firm and not fully cooked. Now for the dal, a piece of cinnamon, a black cardamom, a bay leaf, a bit of salt, about half a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, and a bit of turmeric. Pressure cook the dal till it's completely cooked. In a mixer jar, 1 large tomato that I have chopped up, and I'll add in half a green chilli. You could add in more according to your taste. 4 fat cloves of garlic that I have chopped up, and an inch of ginger that I have peeled and chopped. I'll make this into a paste. That smells really good. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You could use mustard oil in its place. Half a teaspoon of jeera to temper the oil, and thinly sliced onion. I mean super thinly sliced. Bit of salt. And cook this till the onions have a light color on them. The onions are done. Time to add in the jackfruit. Cook the jackfruit along with the onion for a minute. Lower the heat and add in a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder. I have added haldi to the dal. Add in a bit of water. Season with salt. So the oil has started to separate. Let's just add in the tomato paste that we had made earlier. This has got the ginger, garlic, green chili, oil has started to separate, and I'll add in a bit more water, say about half a cup, and cover and cook this till the jackfruit pieces become tender. The dal is cooked perfectly and you want it to be slightly overdone, a bit mashy. Get rid of the bay leaf and the cardamom, cinnamon. So the jackfruit has been cooking for about 5 minutes now on medium heat. Wow, look at that. I'll just quickly check. Yeah, the knife goes in and the jackfruit still retains its shape. That's how we want them. I'll add in a green chilli. You may slit it. I like to add in whole. Cover it for about 30 seconds. So the green chilli would have released its aroma. Yes, I can smell that. Now it's time to add in the cooked dal. All of it. Bring that to a boil. Check the seasoning and adjust it accordingly. So I'll add in a bit more salt. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments. Chopped coriander stalk and leaves. So once the boil starts, cover it, lower the heat to medium and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. That looks done to me. So I'll turn off the heat. Till this point, the recipe is a vegan recipe. But if you don't mind a bit of ghee, you could always add it in. I'll also add in a pinch of Kasoori Methi. Some chopped coriander on top. Serve this seasonal dal with rice, roti or paratha and enjoy.